I want to make this bag. This is a horse inspiration bag, horse inspirated. I made one for some leather bought locally in Bucharest from Botiga leather. This one is dyed, and this one is a sort of Chromex shell. It is double tanned, and it is a very beautiful bag. I really like it. It has only a few pieces, a few parts. It have only a few parts, and I will make it from this leather. So we have the face of the bag, the back of the bag, the bottom of the bag. The bottom of the bag is lined with some stiffener. I don't think you can see it, but it has some stiffener. I want it to bend controlled, so I will use this piece to make this. It will bend exactly as I want. It will bend like this, because there is this indentation. I will do the same on the gusset, but enough with this. You know I do this. I show it to you all the time. For this bag, the straps are burnished. For this bag, I will edge paint this part. And now, when I made this, I didn't have round rings. Now I have, so it will have round rings. It will be like this. This one will be, see, this and this. And this and this. I have the parts. You have the holes in the pattern, so it will be done easy. I stop for the moment. The straps are this. I will stitch these straps because I lined the leather. This one is thick leather. So let's proceed. Now it is the moment to place this on this. You have the signs for the holes on the pattern, but if this ring is different, it will be another story, so you have to adjust. But the rule is clear. With the pattern I made these scratches where I will glue these pieces, and then I will make the holes using the pattern. So like this. You already know that I will use glue. It is a very good trick. I also skived these parts and these parts because I want to have a low profile there. I made the marks, so it will be easy to place down. Like this. You see? Low profile here. Hey, help me. Here. This one here. My cat wants to play fetch. like this. Now I will make the holes. It's easy. So I glued this. I told you I will mark the signs using the pattern. I will use my traditional method, like this. You see? Like this. Now I will make all the holes and I will stitch this, and we will meet again after that, after stitching these parts. I stitched this, I also stitched the back. I won't stitch the straps with the buckles. I will stitch them at when all the other stitchings are ready. Now I will have to stitch the gusset like this, and then I will stitch the gusset on this. I made these two stitchings. Now I will bend the gusset. I bend it easy because I already used the grover to make this negative volume. I don't know how to call it in English. I think not even in Romanian. I don't think it have a name. Șanț. I use a plier, it helps. I use the plier in this part too, you see? And now it stays like this. I will show you when I will start to stitch. It will be easier to stitch. I will glue these parts and then I will stitch them. I stitched the back. I will make a few steps stitching the face of the bag. My cat plays fetch. So a few steps, as I told you. When I'll finish this stitching, I will stitch the part of the strap with the buckles, and I will edge paint the bag. Another few steps. Cat hair. And now the buckles. I will place the buckle here. I will make this part of the stitching, then I will stitch everything here. I stitched these straps. I also stitched this strap. How I stitch it? I started here. I stitched all the line. I placed the keeper, and now I will finish the stitching here. Not not my favorite part, but it is doable. Let's count the holes. Okay. favorite part, but as you see, it is doable. Okay, now it's easy. Okay, let's help ourselves with this. It's boring. This is the culprit. If you'll find cat hair in my bags, you know why. I have something to burn this hair. I use this burner. It is powerful and I always burn the hair. The thread is with paraffin, so it will adhere to the cat hair. Okay, last step. Please don't. Okay. And now let's see what we did. These are already stitched. I don't think it's necessary to show how I stitch a line. I made two keepers because they look really good. It's an element of design. The straps are long enough. Oh, I forgot to make a few holes. I made the signs, but the straps aren't usable. So let's do it again. Find this. Not the last hole, the one before it. The back is the same way. And now let's compare these two bags. You can make a rustic version or rustic too, but a little more elegant. I love these bags. I really love them. And I made these bags.